Hey, in this video we're going to be removing the passenger side door panel on a 2008 Mercedes CL63. It's a W216 model. Pretty much all the CL550, CL600, 65, they're all the same. So we're going to go ahead and start. Alright, so we're going to be using a T15 Torx. This thing comes off pretty easy once you get the screws off. Now we're going to pop off this cover. Alright, so this cover comes off pretty easy. You pop these out, and they're just going to come out at an angle. So there's technically 3 clips holding it. So you would start off from here, unclipping it from there. Alright, so now you have a T30 Torx. There's one of them behind this cover. Alright, so now you have to remove this little speaker cover. Ours was broken before, so it pops out from the top. Ours was glued back on. I guess previous owners didn't know to put it back on. I'll show you how it works. So once you pop it off from the top clip, and just gonna pull on it, lift it up, and it should slide off from the bottom. There's these 2 guide clips. So this is the clip. That little plastic one is supposed to stay in the door, and this thing clips into it. Previous owner, they never took that off. They tried to glue it, but it's pretty easy to take it off. Let's see if we could take this off. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, it comes out. Okay, there you go. Alright, so now you have to work your way around, taking the clips apart, popping the clips out of the door. Okay, once you separated the bottom, popped all the clips out. Just double check, make sure all the sides are loose. And also we'll take this piece out. I'm not really sure if it's going to hold anything. They didn't take this door off before, so first time. Alright, so it just slides out. Alright, so now we're just going to try to pull it up. Just kind of be patient with it, pulling it up, and it's going to come out 3, there's like 3 clips on the back. I'll show you in a second what they are. Alright, so I have to disconnect the cable. This just lifts out pretty easy. Let me get a better shot. Alright, this one's a little tricky. End up pressing the gray tab towards the bottom and then pushing it to the side and it comes out. So make sure you press the tab down and then push it to the side, it will unlock it. So once you press it down, it unlocks it. Alright, so the driver's side is going to be on the top. This one was on the bottom. Alright, so we're just disconnecting all the plugs that go to the door panel. Okay. Alright, so this is the door panel off. These are the clips. They're kind of towards the bottom. They just pop out